Well, welcome back everyone to Journey Through the Feud, if you would call it that. We're journeying through Feudopia. I've shown you some real cool things in the first video. This is video number 2, so let me continue. So one of the things that we're excited to show you that we have added to Feudopia is video background. Yes, we've added video background. So you can take an MP4 file and you can put it in the background, and we'll talk about those details later on. So you can see right there, that's mine, and as I navigate through my rounds, the video shows up in the background. On top of that, we can also show an overlay image. So if you don't have one in your theme folder, it will use the default one that comes with it. If there's one in the theme folder, which I'll show you later on, it will use that one. But there you go. You can either show the overlay image or not. You can hide it, or you can just hide the video totally, and it will show you your standard look. But this, we are very excited about this video look, and we might come back to it because I really like it. I actually love how it looks when we are in the game round. So if you come to game round, I can hide that or I can show that, right? And you just have this beautiful video in the background. So with that said, I've navigated to the game round, and you can still see your audio there. I've explained that to you earlier on. So what do we have new here on the game round screen? So for those of you who are new to the game, you can just see what we're doing right here. For those of you who have had it before, still have it, this is new to you, right? Where we have the show point value. And what the points value is based on, if you watch the game, the points are single, points are double, and points are triple, right? So this we call your points value. We force you to make sure you choose a points value before you continue your game. Now the difference, what we've done, if you look on this side right here, let's get rid of the video for now, it's distracting. What we come here, and if we show you the points value. So if you look again, follow my cursor. If I come here and I put a triple, double, it shows that we're playing double. If I put it here, it shows that we're playing triple, right? So it just shows the audience, the players, the points value, right? You can hide that if you want. So you can hide it, you can show it, but you can do a few things with it. If I set it to 0, it will remain on the screen all the time. But if it's not at 0, I can set how long it remains on the screen. So let's use 3 seconds for the sake of time. So it's on the screen, I go to points value, it's going to take 3 seconds, and then it's going to go away. You can set it to 30 seconds, you can set it to whatever you want. But if you want it to always be there and you want to have absolutes, you set it to 0, it will remain there once you choose it, and it doesn't go away, or you can go off. So on and off. So if you want just an on and off scenario, you set it to 0, okay? Or if you want to set it to have a specific time, again, I'm dealing with this, it will show you, right? So that's it for you, for that new thing that was added to it. And there's a lot more other things that we have added in this area that we're going to show you, but I don't want to keep you too long. We're going to keep the videos to about 5 minutes, so I'll break the videos up in maybe about 5 minutes section. So with that said, the next thing I want to show you, I've shown you this right here, points value shows on here. I'm going to show you something else. For those of you who have this app, you recall that you have a podium strike and a steel strike. The steel strike is still there, but I will show you how that works. The steel strike shows up only after we have had 3 strikes, right? So when we have 3 strikes, I'll show you that later on, but when we have 3 strikes, it will automatically show the steel strike, right? Yes, the X for the steel strike, okay? The pass button, when you go to the podium and you say, do you want to play or do you want to pass? The pass button will actually switch from one team to the other. We haven't used the buzzer yet, so there's no active here, and we haven't shown team. So if we show team, it will show the team on top. If we hide, it will hide the team, right? Very, very, very simple. Another thing that we've added, if you notice, watch the clock right here, and watch these X's right here. I can turn those on and off. If you're following my cursor, they're there. If I come over here, and I turn them on and off. So it makes the game easier when you're playing. You can see if see the progress of the strike, right? In the past, when we show question, then those get hidden right there. But now it's gone up here, so it's not hidden anymore. So we've addressed that. And in the past, the clock will sit above it. Not anymore. The clock goes up to the top, okay? And there's more. What I'll do, I will break right here, and I will come back with video number 3. Thank you for listening.